Okay, so I decided to replace the BL Touch sensor. Um, the one that was there was a 3D Touch, not a BL Touch, so I replaced it with the same thing. It cost me about $18, a little bit cheaper than the BL Touch. BL Touch, I believe, is the original one. So I just went through a sequence here of homing. So let me home this again, just so that we can see how this machine does its thing. And you can see it's going blue. Boom, it touches the sensor, that plastic peg touches the surface, and it comes down again and it turns on red again. So it's between red and blue is when the sensor is working properly. So it's working. um, the only thing that I did not do is I did not install this circuit here. This was a piggyback circuit. It's got the the ground 5 volts and signal 3-pin with these two diodes and a resistor. The same circuit is on the distribution board. There's a distribution board right behind this corner here of this base of this machine. So when I was tracing these wires and I was rewiring these properly, with the signal being the white, the 5 volts the red, and the ground the black, because before, although the wiring was correct at both ends, it was reversed, the color wise. So I wired it according to typical wiring color scheme, which is, red is typically positive, black is ground, and white or yellow or any other color signal. So I just wired it directly to the control board, and it's working. So just went through the sequence of homing, and now I'm going to go through the sequence of auto leveling. And let's see if I can capture the. So that plastic peg comes down. It touches until the nose, or the hot end tip touches the table. So I don't know if it's making contact with boom, and then it goes. It does 1, 2. It's going to go through 14 steps. I'm going to pause this so we don't waste that video here. So that's about 4 right there, or 16 steps, I believe.